this one, I'm going to show you a Laravel based application. So it's again a job portal, similar to the one which I uploaded yesterday on my channel. So here the user can create his profile, right? He can search for different jobs and he can also apply for jobs, right? It's very much similar to LinkedIn. Now, before telling you how it works, let me show you my website where you can come and check out the video courses. So whatever courses I have created on my YouTube channel till date, you can find everything over here on this single platform. Right. So what I've done is I've consolidated all my courses and created this website over here, which you can see. Now, if suppose you want to learn these things from me, you can definitely take my course. Right. So it's a course of 1 year. Right. In 1 year, you will become a professional coder. And besides that, I guarantee you that you will get a very, very good job, right? So if you want to earn a six-figure salary, then you can go ahead, take my course today, right? Contact me on my contact number. You can see it on your screens also, and here also you can find it very easily. Okay, so I will be giving you some really excellent coding classes on some really excellent technologies like React, Angular, Laravel, Python, PHP. So all these things you're going to learn in my coding classes, and within 1 year, I guarantee you, you'll become a very, very good coder. And after that, you can start applying for jobs, right? So if you're interested, contact me. And besides that, before that, if you want to explore how I teach, how I take classes, and what all things we take in the classes, so you can go through these courses, you can go through these videos once. Okay, so it will give you an in and out of what all things do we do in our coding classes. So what happens is everything, whatever we do in the coding classes I provide is based on practical applications. Okay, so in every coding classes, in every coding class, you get to learn a new application, right? We talk about an entirely new application. We talk about new technologies, and then we also try to understand the technologies which are currently in very much demand in the market. Okay, so this is what we do in the coding classes. If you are interested, do take the coding classes, and also refer these coding classes to your uh, you know a group of people or your friends who are interested or who have a passion for coding and they want to learn coding. Okay, so let's come back on this. So here you can see the homepage of the website. And now if I'll come on this all vacancies, so right now there is no vacancy. Okay, let me just translate it to English. It is written in Indonesian. Okay, fine. So as of now, there is no job. Why? Because I haven't entered anything in the table with which it is connected. Oh, the translate option is not there for this. Let me check on the other page. It should be there on this one, I think. Yeah. So let me translate it in English for you guys. Fine. So let's come on about us. So here you can see the about us page. So it's a full-fledged application, right? Which you can use. You can upgrade it in whatever way you want. Okay, let's go back, and here I would like to just register a profile first. Let's see how it happens. So here I need to put my name, then my email ID will go here, and here I need to put a password. Okay, then confirm password. So I've successfully registered a profile. Let's see what's gonna happen next. So okay, so my profile is there. Fine. And I haven't uploaded any pics, so let me just quickly do it. So I am going to upload a pic from here. Okay, let's take this one, and This is my WhatsApp number. Let's see if I can successfully create it or not. Okay, so okay, I think the phone number field must be 12 characters. Okay, it's right now 10, so let me make it 12. Wait, so it has taken it. Let me upload the pic again. I think the pic is quite small, because of which it's not coming up well. Okay, now it has taken it. So I've created my profile successfully. Let me check for some jobs. Job title, developer. I would like to search for the job related to this title. It's not there. Okay, log out from the application. um, Let me just type developer again. It has redirected me to this page where I can't see any job. So let me just enter a job quickly in the table name job. So this is a database, right, to which the application is connected, and let me quickly enter PHP Laravel developer job description. So let me just search for a relevant description on Google. Okay, I am just pasting random text over here for now. I hope you guys understand. Responsibilities. Okay, so these are going to be the roles and responsibilities of the developer. Then we have the experience, sorry, not expenses. Sorry, experience. Let's just type this, enter this text. For now, benefits. Lots of benefits of being a PHP developer. Vacancy. Okay, one. We can see how many seats are there. So let's make it 20 for now. Salary. Let's make it 6. Okay, so let's make it 60 lakhs for now. Location. Noida, Delhi, Pune. Okay, so there are 3 locations where we require this developer. Deadline 28. Gender is, let's make it job category. Okay, so foreign values, I'm going to use this for now. Job status open. Job type full time. Image we don't require anything as of now. Created at, let's select the current timestamp. Right, I think I'm done with creating a profile. Let's quickly click on go. Let's browse it and check the information. So everything is there. As you can see, image, we haven't chosen anything. Let's see whether we can see any job on the job page or not. So yes, we can see a job over here, right? PHP developer. If I click on this one, let's see where it is going to take us to. So it has taken us to this page where we can see all the information that we entered in the table, right? So this is how the job can be created. Okay, and then the user can log in uh, like this. Right, and let's go over this one. Okay, he can check the jobs now. Fine, this is working perfectly fine. Okay, so everything is working fine right now. This is how the job portal works, and you can create as many profiles as you want. You can create as many jobs as you want, and then after searching the jobs, you can also apply for the job. So as you can see here, number of jobs is 1. These things are still 0 because we haven't entered. We don't have any profile which suits these 3 things. So once that is there, automatically you'll see the numbers also going up for these three things, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this lecture a lot. If you want to create similar kind of applications, you can contact me on the number which is getting reflected on your screen. And besides that, before I end this lecture, I would like to show you my YouTube channel once. So if you want to explore new things, right? If you have a passion for coding, you want to become a coder, you can definitely come on my channel and check out the various, kind of things I've created till date. So I'm working as a software developer in a very renowned and established company. Okay, and if you also want to become established and renowned software developer like me, you can check these courses, you can check these tutorials, the kind of things I've learned for becoming a software engineer, and what kind of things a person needs to know if you want to pursue his career in any of the fields in software development. Because software development is also have different fields, like there is artificial intelligence, machine learning is there, data science is there, web application development, mobile application development. So because I have a very vast experience, so I have explored all these fields, but it's not like I've done it all at once. I have given time to one field, then I switched to the other field, and that's how I learned different things. Again, so if you also want to become an expert of all these things, you can take my coding classes. You can first check out my channel. You can check these videos there that are there on my channel. And if in case you like it and you want to understand these application building things, you can contact me on the number which you can see on your screen. Thank you very much. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Keep